My name is Bruce Kanengoni. About 2 years ago, I was walking through a shopping center with my young son when he pointed out a young boy dressed in rags. It was obvious that the boy not only was starving, but was desperately ill. I took a short video of the boy and some photos and shared them on Facebook page I belong to, hoping there would be people out there who would be willing to help and donate some money so that I could help at least buy this boy some clothes. I found a person who now lives in Australia, but originally from Zimbabwe. She helped by introducing me to the Dr. Rath Foundation based in the Netherlands. The Dr. Rath organization is very unique. It funds independent research, health, education, and the global Movement of Life project, which teach people how to help themselves. It also helps small organizations in Africa to start fruit and vegetable gardening projects in the schools. The most important part of the program is the curriculum that it accompanies and the gardening components of the project, which teaches the students about micronutrients and their importance to the body and how it helps the body to stay healthy. I had to undergo 6 months of training with the Dr. Rath Foundation, which taught me about micronutrients and the role they have in keeping the body healthy. I had completed the coursework and I was ready to start my project. This meant negotiating with the principal of my first school to start a project in my area, which is Warren Park 4. The Dr. Rath Healthy Foundation helped with the purchase of basic garden tools and armed us with our new gardening equipment. We started our first vegetable garden soon after. The students were enthusiastic and they were able to take their first crops home. I am now managing projects in our 4 local schools. Very soon, parents started coming to me to see if they could join the projects. As a result, we have expanded into individual gardens and into our community.
Movement of Life yaitibatsira na bigdola ne zvinhu zvakawanda zvavanodzidza zvatinoshandisa pakutimbira miriwo yedu nezvimwe zvakadaro tinovatenda chaizvo.
The community gardens are flourishing in the community, and the private home gardens are also doing very well. The garden tools we have provided to these individuals means that people are able to prepare the ground and care for their gardens, which has motivated others to join in. Our biggest challenge is water. Students bring a liter plastic bottle filled with water at school each day to keep their garden alive, but we need more boreholes. A borehole in each school that students and the community could use would be very ideal. Sadly, the young boy who was the catalyst for me doing this work has since died. We are now supporting his younger brother, who also has health issues. We encourage other countries to take part in programs like these. If you are able to donate or to support our work, please contact us and let us know what you would like to do to help.